Hey, guess what? There's a huge news from ChatGPT and OpenAI. There is an iPhone app now. I know a lot of people were using different hacks, different shortcuts, but now there's an official iPhone app which is right here, ChatGPT. You can use it on your iPhone. So I'll give you a quick demo how to download this and also how to use this. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share this video so more people can see this. So what you want to do, there's a lot of similar apps, but what you want to do is go to your Apple App Store and search for ChatGPT. So make sure you get the right app, which is right here. So here's the icon. This is the one that you want, ChatGPT official app by OpenAI. So make sure you download this. So it looks like I have to update it. I'll do it later. And when you do it, let's open the app. So if you already have an account, just sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. But this is really powerful. This is really fast. I'm gonna say, who are you? And then I'll show you some of the really cool features. How do I cook pizza? And now it's gonna find me a recipe or stuff like that. There you go. Now there is a cool feature which is in the iPhone app, not on the web version. So I'm going to show you that right now. So which is right here. So you can use voice to give commands or give prompts. So I'm going to click here. How do you cook chicken pasta? Look at this. And now with my voice, I can enter prompts, commands, and then ChatGPT will give me all the data, all the instructions. So cool. It's also, I have the feedback, the keyboard feedback, so it feels really nice. The haptic feedback, I should say, it's turned on, so it feels really nice. So now let me show you some of the settings. So if I click on the three dots on the top, I can rename this chat. I can go to the history, I can go to the settings. If you go to the settings, so this is your basic stuff. I'm using the free plan right now. You can update it. Data controls, haptic feedback. So if this is turned on, you're gonna feel really nice. If you're used to using haptic feedback on your iPhone, it's kind of similar to that. And then a couple of basic stuff, and then if you want to sign out, you can do that here. But this is super fast. It's actually much, in my experience, it's much faster than the web experience of ChatGPT. The iPhone app is much faster. And also I love the fact that you can use voice to enter your prompt. You don't have to type anything. So everything is super fast. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below before you go like and share this video. And now let's watch this next AI video together. Bye for now.